Good morning, everyone. Sorry to say I'm very bad with recording, so bear with me. First of all, let us start with something that we have on here. Okay. When we talked about the zone, so basically in daily we are in a sell area. Okay, just giving you an explanation on here based on the chart, which is a very weak zone actually, like almost 1,000 pips. So it has uh, nothing to do with us now at that zone, but in here we see we have a sell zone and we have a sell zone here. So basically we are playing in a sell zone until unless this zone is not break, we cannot say we are going more bullish. It need to break. Okay, now let us go back to the main particular area that what we are talking about right now, which is the very first thing. If you see on here, we had a sell zone on here. We still have nothing, just engulf, which is now becoming as a fresh engulf here. Okay, very much fresh engulf here. Regular, go to more lower, we have engulfing on here again, which is the freshest one, and somehow it is matching with the trend line that we have drawn on here. In 5 minutes, we specifically have nothing. We have a buy engulfing becoming a fail engulfing, which particularly giving us this zone, which zone is a little bit uh, 42 pips. And if we put our stop loss a little bit above of this particular zone here, so this zone is becoming like 60 pips. So how we can minimize the zone? Okay, how we can minimize the zone? So what we started to see, we have this overlapping, we have this engulfing, which is fresh. Now we have nothing here specifically. We have a QM on here though. So now by any chance, like this is a little bit time that market was engulfed by backed by engulf, and the QM, and this particular area is overlapping area in 3 minutes. So now the zone is becoming like this. So we need to check like if the market come back in this particular area where we have our trend line and the zone and trend line is started to match, we can literally sell from there. Okay, so our basically this is the only zone that we can expect ourselves from here, and a little bit above, like not you need not need to go that much above, like the almost send in the yesterday, the setup that could be possibly we can see. And then if you want to go, you can go a little bit lower further. Sometimes overfiltering can cause a very much damage. We have a 3 minute QM on somewhere here, I guess, where I see, like, or 1 minute QM. So basically if you look now, this particular area is the one that played very nicely on here, right here. So that's the one I was saying, like we have a double breakout QM and overlapping on here. So this is the trade what's going on now. Now, what upcoming we can plan? Okay, what upcoming we can plan? Now, as of now, we have nothing here yet, and H1, I believe we will see some sell today. Uh, Now, this is what I'm talking about the upcoming market. Okay, so we are seeing like here we have a breakout area here. Okay, breakout area here. So the first thing, if you want to do some, try to some add a TL12 here on here, and so far nothing we have on here. So wait for this particular area in between. I would, without CMP, if CMP creates something, otherwise we are not going to do anything else. Okay, nothing else. Now, in the 30 minute, again, we are having, as I said, this particular area as a this engulf fail area also, meaning this whole zone, like this whole zone is giving us too much profitable area to enter. Previously, if you look at engulfing buy become fail, market holded a little bit, and this is the area, and this engulf is again as a fresh engulf. Try to match some TL and here to here, which will be very steep one. So I do not like the steep one because our setup is coming up in here. Okay, let us try in the 15 minute failed area, which is holding the market. So basically what's going to happen, like we are here, we are going to focus something on here, only this particular area now. Okay, in between we may, one possibilities we may have now that Market could retest this and this fail area and then drop. Maybe we can miss that sell, but still we will wait for that particular as a sell area. Remaining we do as our filtering. Okay, only the filtering. Go to the lower time frame. Now here, fresh engulf, no overlapping as a QM, very small QM. So this, and if you have any type on there, then it will be fine. So no type on, nothing need to be worried. So basically now this is the area that where we are going to only wait for sell. What about the buy? We have